Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you and your family are keeping well. You're free from the illness that is going around, and you're having some fun in spite of the circumstances. I miss you. I want you to know that I really miss you. I would rather be in class teaching you now than to be doing it remotely. But one day, and I hope very soon, we will return to our environment, the environment that we are accustomed to at Zeb Vance Elementary School. Now this morning we are going to be renewing writing 3-digit numbers 3 different ways. So remember, when we talk about 3-digit numbers, we're talking about 100, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, so let us remember our chart, our little graphic organizer here. And we have our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. So we can write our H, short for 100, T for tens, and O for ones. So we have 100, tens, ones. Now let us say we are writing the number 327. 327. Let us think of the expanded form. And remember that when something expands, it means it gets bigger. So what we're actually doing, we're writing 327 in a big form, a long form, expanded form. So we will have our 300 plus 20 plus 7. This has the same value as this because it is 327. 300 plus 20 plus 7. That's another way we can write it. We can also write it in word form. So word form would be our 300 300 27. 327. This is in word form. So we have our expanded form, we have our word form. And when we write the number, the digits all together, we have 327. And this is what we call the standard form. So we have our expanded form, we have our word form, and we have our standard form. And it's the same thing that is shown in our place value graphic organizer or place value chart. So let's look at another one. So I'll erase this one. Or I could have left it there, but for space. Why did I erase the chart? It's going to make my board messy now. All right, so let us say we have this number on our chart. So this is our tens, hundreds, our tens, and our ones. So we have 985. These are the 3 digits we have on our place value chart. And we want to write that in expanded form. So we will have 900 plus 8 tens are 80 plus 5 ones are 5. So that's our expanded form. And we are writing that now in word form So we would have our 900 85. So that's our 985. So we have our expanded form, we have our word form, and everything give us what we have here. We call this our standard form. So we have 985, 985, 985. Expanded form, word form, standard form. All right. One more example. Okay, so let's say we had 790. We want to write this in expanded form. So we have 700 plus 90 plus 0. And that gives us 790. That is 790. So we have our expanded form, our word form, and our standard form. When we remember, expand means to make bigger. Word form, standard form. I'm going to do one more example with a 0 in our tens place. One example with a 0 in our tens place. Let's say we have 802. Here we have a 0 as our placeholder. So we have a 0 in our tens place. So we're writing this in expanded form. It would be 800 plus 2 zeros. Why do we have 2 zeros here? Because remember, when we're writing tens, we have 2 digits make up our tens. Remember, tens go from 10 to 99. So this represents the 2 digits that we should have in our tens place when we are writing the number in expanded form. And we have plus 2 ones. So that is 802. So we have our digits on our place value chart, expanded form and standard form. So if we're writing it in word form, it would be 802. 800 and 2. But most times when we're saying it, we say 802. 802, 802. This and, sometimes we do not use the and there. So 802. Some people will say 802. But actually it is 802. 802, 800, no tens, 2 ones. Now I would like you to try the form that you have for today in your books. Have fun. See you tomorrow. Bye.